Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
Rajasthan Royals has announced South African Klassen as a replacement for the banned skipper Steve Smith. The wicketkeeper-batsman was picked up for his base price ₹50 lakh from the registered available player pool. Klaasen is not the same caliber player as Smith but can hit the ball cleanly. His win world 69 of 30 deliveries in the second T20 for South Africa earlier this year against India showed his suitable for the shortest format of the game. NYOOOZ Desk.